In front of me is Honor 9X Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select Home Screen and Wallpaper, and now you can pick themes or wallpaper. I will choose wallpaper, as I would like to change wallpaper only, not the whole theme in my device, but it will also change the wallpaper, so if you want you can smoothly reach themes. But right here you have several options, so you can pick either some picture from your own gallery, one from default wallpapers, or if you will click on more wallpapers and you are connected to Wi-Fi, you will be able to see some more pictures, and you can also download or buy some of them in your store right here. So for example, you can apply this one for $1.49. It's actually quite cheap, you can buy it. It's even cheaper, so just pick the one that you would like to apply. You have the categories as well, so if you'd like to some black and white picture, here it is, and you can smoothly apply it. But let me go back, and now you can pick one from default wallpapers, for example this one. Then you can customize it, so you can make it bigger, smaller. It can be just like this, and also you can make it scrollable if you want to, and you can add some blur. But I don't like it this way, so let me leave it super clear and not scrollable. I would like to apply it this way, and then just tap on confirmation mark. Decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen, your home screen, or both of them, and I will pick this third option. And that's it. From now on, this brand new wallpapers on both home and lock screens. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.